Ryan Young, ProTinkerToys.com. How are you doing? Everybody having a fun day today? Today we're going to be selling mattresses and how to buy mattresses, okay? Actually, I'm not selling mattresses. I'm selling slot cars. And this is a new assortment called SC397, and it's basically America's finest. And that is police officers. And there are four cars in the assortment. You got the Tennessee State Troopers, which is right here, the Palm Beach, Florida Police Department, the Massachusetts State Police, and the Sandy Springs, Georgia Police. And these are all beautiful cars. Okay, really all these I like. I mean, these are really nice. The one that I think is the neatest is this one right here, was the Blazer, the Palm Beach Chevy Blazer Police Department. It just, the Blazer just looks nice. It's got the little light on it. Now, none of these are like the original police cars from Aurora. These are Aurora this was made in 1975 probably. It has the light and everything on it, which basically goes back and forth as the car drives down the track. And it was an addition, and all the police cars had that on top, okay? Now, nowadays they just put just a little plastic and basically to make it look like a police car, okay? Now, of my favorites, okay, so these are the four cars. You have the State Trooper. This is a nice car too. This is a Plymouth Fury. My dad had a Plymouth Fury, 1978 Plymouth Fury. These things were huge, okay? 1978 Plymouth Fury. My dad had a lot of Plymouth cars. And then he had actually both my dads. My stepdad had every 2 years he bought a new station wagon because he was a rural carrier for the postal, and he had these big wagons. And we went to Florida, I think twice in the wagon. And then this is the Palm Beach, Florida with the 1977 Blazer. These are when the Blazer was a true vehicle because it was versatile. Nowadays they have all the crap in them and they cost $500,000 to buy. This was just an average vehicle, but you can really travel a lot in it. And this is a Chevy Blazer. And then the next one is the Massachusetts State Police, and this is the Dodge Monte Carlo, another beautiful vehicle. And then the 2021 Dodge Charger SRT. This is sweet. This is a nice one. And that's Sandy Springs Police. And so these are a great collection for your at home. And so my favorite would probably, I think that's the way it is. I mean, I like this color. I like the black and the tan. Okay, if I would have to change anything, I would probably go this as my favorite. This would be my favorite, second, third, and fourth. Okay, and but this is a really cool assortment you want to get. These are available at ProTinkerToys.com. You can get all four of them at ProTinkerToys.com. And these are Xtraction chassis, okay? And so these are all four, the SC397, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 397. And these are available right now at ProTinkerToys.com. And that's ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and it always gives us a thumbs up, okay? See you later, alligator.